Hi guys, I'm Simran, your friend behind the vlog, and I'll be taking you along with our team, that's Modest Essentials, for our very first meet and greet.
So waiting for everybody. There are just two of us here, and it's 7:45 exact, so we are a little early.
But wait, this is Simran from the future, and I want to quickly show you a glimpse of what's about to go down.
Yeah, he's saying that there's another event there.
Already told her that we will be fixing the entire place.
Yeah, have another event there. Like, we don't have space for like our people only. We can't like have other people also coming in. How will you manage it?
Keep watching to see how we went from being all happy and prepped for our first Hyderabad event to this mess.
Little early. One down.
I think this is like one of our first travel experiences together as a team. And even though it's like 8 a.m. and we've been up since 5 a.m., we're super pumped about this. This is what happens when you have to wake up at 6 a.m. He's in his own zone. Now that everybody is here, we're gonna check in our bags and get our boarding passes.
So jealous of her right now holding iced coffee in her hand. That's really nice. Yeah, how did you manage that at this hour?
I did somehow. So they told Amir to give a review about the airport security. We were asked to, but we said no. Sharing is caring. At the airport, and we've checked in. We're waiting to board. Amir, quick question. Why have we chosen Hyderabad as our second meet and greet location?
So after the response we got for the meetup in Mumbai, it was decided that next has to be Hyderabad. And I'm like glad it's happening now. So yeah, we are really like psyched up. Let's see now.
Literally sitting in the middle, and I'm all over Alicia so I can get a good window seat shot for you guys.
Yeah, I can't believe we're just one day away. Like the last week has been like super hectic.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna sneak up on them. Alicia, what's up? I'm vlogging, so I hope you're working.
Yes, I am working actually. I'm just checking out if everyone's received their parcels.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Abdullah, what's up?
So we have sent over 14 boxes. The last 3 are left. We will be sending tonight.
Okay, great.
Also, Simran, could you just cross-check with Aisha about what's update going on in
Oh yeah,
Hyderabad?
ठीक है, I'll just give her a call. So just to fill y'all in, Aisha's a member from our team, and we'd sent her to Hyderabad a week ago just to monitor the prep there. So let's check with her if everything's going all in flow. So I'll quickly give her a call and we'll see how it's going.
Hello.
Hey Aisha, what's up?
Hi, Simran.
Have you reached the cafe?
Yeah, so I am at the cafe right now. I'm just checking out the food.
Okay,
And
great.
making sure everything is on time and scheduled.
Guys, how are you liking Hyderabad so far?
So far, so good.
What are you most excited about?
Event.
I do want to try the biryani. And I've heard the halim is good too.
Yeah.
Right? Have you ever been here before?
No.
Okay, we'll see how it goes. Hi guys, so we've reached Hyderabad like a couple hours ago. We checked in, freshened up. Now we're right outside the cafe. Everybody's going in. We're gonna go and see how the setup is happening and if there's any work pending. So come along. We have Huda. There's a baby on board. The founders discussing stuff. And I mean, look at the sky. Wow. It actually looks so much bigger than the pictures. This is how it looks right now. I can't imagine how it's gonna be all set up tomorrow in time. How is everything gonna be set up by tomorrow?
Don't know.
Where's Aisha?
Aisha is missing.
The one who came like 1 week before us, and she's still not here.
think we'll do the racks from here, this wall, till that L. Okay? And we can do like the billing desk over here. What do you all think?
So all these chairs will go, right?
Huh? Yeah, everything will go. All this will go. So we'll put the racks from here till there. Okay? We'll put the billing desk here. We'll put like one table here. That'll be the billing desk. यहाँ पे अब्दुल्ला बैठेगा, जो ऑर्डर आएगा शाबाज को बोलेगा, शाबाज वहाँ से निकाल के he'll give the stock here. यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, yeah. So I think we can do this place because यहाँ पे we can't do anything else. So you know the moment they enter, it's the billing desk. They can, हाँ ये पूरा शॉपिंग का एरिया हो गया, यहाँ पे बिलिंग हो गया, यहाँ से स्टॉक निकाल के शाबाज will give him.
So few tables here to be. These 2 rows outside to be.
Right.
कि सब जगह सब लोग जाए. If we do it यहीं पर ही, then there'll be a lot of crowd एक जगह. We can use that area, right? We were thinking to do tote printing there.
नहीं, so I was thinking कि वो एरिया में we do all the stalls, phone charms and
Tote candles, cupcakes, phone charm. These are 4 and 1 food.
one photo booth. ऐसा cupcakes छोड़ के 4 और है.
So you want to do the photo booth or
Let's see the place how big it is.
yeah, for the photo booth? हाँ. I think that is fine.
Photo booth and phone charms over here, and then we can do
So we got done with the discussion and we're going for some chai. Post chai, we ended our day with a visit to the Charminar and a delicious dinner. Hello, good morning. We're at the cafe again. It's the day of the event and we should be prepping, but they want to take some pictures first. Okay then. What's going on, Huda?
Just cutting out the cloud.
I wonder who's gonna be able to answer all the questions. Do you think they will?
Yeah, it was pretty easy question.
Are you sure?
100%.
Who came up with the questions?
The one who's vlogging.
Hey, no, I did not.
Aisha?
Yeah, okay. If no one wins, it's on her.
Okay.
Will it stay?
I think one more.
What's going on?
So I'm making the coupons for the freebies.
Nice. And what are the freeways?
There's food, there's cupcakes, phone charms, and candle and
I don't mind this one. Like right now. Damn cute. Which one is your favorite?
I think
Those are so pretty. Like, I need these.
Yeah, I seen it. There's another event there.
What?
already told her that we will be taking the entire place.
Yeah.
He said he'll be using the stage area.
Yeah. We said there'll be another.
But that's right in the middle of everything.
It was not told to us. I told the entire
So we can't have another event there. Like, we don't have space for like our people only. We can't like have other people also coming and how we manage it.
We did specify that it was going to be just that event and no other people are going to be in it.
I think there's a need in that space. Like, you will always then, right?
So guys,
They are telling us that we can't use the stage area, and that's so crazy because it's in the middle of everything. I mean, it's already 1:20. Event starts in like 3 hours. What are we gonna do?
We might just cancel our event if another event will be happening.
But dude, there are only like 3 hours left.
Amir has been going on with them for the past half an hour, and I really hope they get convinced.
Like, you say not that you have to tell them about. Or you give me the I decide. So, you know, I will